Today is the University of Manchester Community Festival, and the Henry Royce Institute is opening its door to our community to show the variety of science and research we do here at the University of Manchester.
The Royce Hub Building that we're in today, it's a brand new building. We opened September of 2021, so this is actually the first opportunity that we've had as the Royce Hub to actually open our doors. So it's really fantastic for us to be here, sort of welcoming people into the foyer here for the first time and actually being able to show people sort of some of the great science that goes on here.
We'd like to demonstrate how you can use X-rays to look inside an object non-destructively. We're demonstrating how you can have a source of light, a camera as a detector, and a sample on a stage that rotates. And we collect lots of images at all those different angles, and then we use computer algorithms to reconstruct it into a 3D image that we then render.
Through outreach activity like the Community Festival today, we aim to engage with the kids and the family in the community with the hope that they will become the next generation of scientists.
We really just want to show people what you can do with science, and really, we want to promote our work and let people see what we can do and just let people enjoy it as well.
It's a fantastic opportunity for members of the public to really see what happens within the Institute, share with the world the actual science that they're doing, explain it, how it can benefit humanity, and sort of what we'll hopefully develop in the future using the research that goes on here.